The question is, what is the meaning of the term solar system? A solar or a planetary system consists of a star around which planets revolve. In our solar system, the central star is the sun. 9 planets move around it at different distances. Some of these planets have moons that revolve around them. Our solar system also includes some other smaller heavenly bodies such as asteroids and comets. The sun transmits energy to the planets by its heat and light. Without the sun, no wind will blow at the earth will grow ice cold. Now, what are planets? Planets are large spherical heavenly bodies which move in an orbit around a central star, that is sun. Unlike the sun, they don't produce any energy of their own. The planets near the sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. The planets away from the sun are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. For long, scientists were not sure whether Pluto is actually a planet or just an asteroid. Now, Pluto is regarded as a dwarf planet. Now, the next question is, are there other planetary systems? Scientists assume that there are other planetary systems but find it difficult to locate them because most stars are very far away. Even the nearest star is more than 4 light years away from us. Moreover, the light of a star is so strong that it completely outshines the weak light of the surrounding planets. Trying to find a planetary system is like traveling away from the sun and no longer being able to see the road. For this reason, the remote planets cannot be seen even with the strongest telescopes. Astronomers can, however, measure the movements of stars and infer whether they are influenced by other heavenly bodies. Why does the sun shine? To a large extent, the sun is made up of hydrogen, which is converted into the element helium inside the sun's atmosphere. In the resultant fusion of two hydrogen atoms with helium, a lot of energy is released. As a result, the core of the sun heats up to an unimaginable temperature, about 8 million degrees Celsius. On the surface of the sun, the temperature is only around 5500 degrees Celsius. The sun releases this heat energy in the form of radiation, which gives it its fiery glow. About every 11 years, the surface of the sun changes and what we know as sunspots occur. The surface is somewhat cooler and darker around the spots, thus they radiate less energy. A few researchers believe that an increase in the occurrence of these spots causes ice ages on the earth. We will get other information in next video.